right, here's the warm-up.
Video recording. Sure.
You haven't seen that yet? Yeah. All right, so there's two sides for the warm-up. This one over here, I want you to label. What are the parallel lines? What's the transversal? Give me some of the adjacent angles, some of the vertical angles. There's a second warm-up over here. I'm asking you to label this. Remember, this is saying line AB is parallel to what? I want you to tell me. Line EF, who remembers what this symbol is? Line EF is perpendicular to what? All right. If you need to use your notes for the warm-up, go ahead and get your notes out. As you do the warm-ups, these can also go into your notes. So if you want to do warm-up with your notes, if you just want to include all those papers, that's fine. Daniel, what's going on? Okay, you're going to get a note if you don't get paper out and get started. There's a warm-up, so everyone's working, right? We went over this yesterday. It shouldn't be too bad. I just said if you don't remember, get your notes out. Alexis, you done? Albert, you done? Because I thought you were looking at Alexis. That's not. Okay. So you're still doing the warm-up. Let's see what you got so far. Okay. You didn't give me an EF yet. You didn't give me this down here.
That's hard. I don't know what to do.
What do your notes say? You guys done? Got it? Okay. Don't talk to people. Try and do this by yourself. See how much you remember. Look at your notes. The warm-up questions that I have up here. These are going to look probably exactly like questions I'll put on the quiz. I'll probably put something just like this on the quiz. I'll say label these parts. Where are the parallel lines? What would be the vertical angles? Right? And it's your job to say, okay, it's 1 and 2 or A and B, whatever it is, right? I want you to tell me. Again, this is on your notes. Was anyone absent yesterday? Anyone absent? Remember, if you're absent, if you miss a day, talk to someone in the class. Talk to a friend. See if you can borrow their notes. Albert. Okay, we had it on our notes yesterday. Okay, what does it say? Okay. So, which of those angles share a common line? Which of them have the same line next to it? Okay, you can't list all of them. Very good. There's your answer. There you go. There you go. Those are 4 answers. Albert brought up a good point. With the adjacent and vertical angles, there's more than one answer. So you can have several answers that fit in here, Same with over here. You're going to have several answers for what's parallel to A and B. You're going to have several answers that could be perpendicular for E and F. Right? There's more than one answer. There's more than one line. There's more than one angle. If you want to list more than one, go ahead. On the quiz for Friday, I'll probably just ask for one. I might even ask for two. I want to make sure that you know what I'm asking for. If I say, what are the adjacent angles? You know, is this student, do you know what an adjacent angle would be? Could you tell me, oh yeah, an adjacent angle, that'd be 1 and 2. Or would you say, oh yeah, that's 1 and 3, or 1 and 4? What kind of answer are you giving me? Do you actually know what they are? Again, if you don't know what they are, where do you look? Notes. Look at your notes. That's why you take them. I don't have you take the notes just because it's fun. Take the notes so you can use the notes. That's why I don't understand some of you that don't take notes. Yeah. What does vertical say? Okay. So let's look at 1. What would be an angle that's opposite of angle 1? What would be on the opposite side of 1? There you go. You're a genius, just like I said. All right, let's start on this side. Okay? So who can give me 1 or 2 lines that would be parallel to AB? Right? Here's AB at the bottom. What would be parallel to AB? Jacob, give me one. EC, I agree. Kevin, do you have another?
EF.
EF. Okay, EC.